In this particular video, we are going to look at how you can be able to sketch ln functions. So what you need to understand, natural logs, they have vertical asymptotes. They do not have horizontal asymptotes, just like exponential functions that we have done in the previous video. Now this one, they have horizontal asymptote, but when we are talking about natural logs, they have vertical asymptote. And for you to find the vertical asymptote, you are going to look at this particular part. This is the part that is going to give you the asymptote. So in this particular question, we are going to say the vertical asymptote is going to be where 2x minus 4 is equals to 0. That's where we are going to have our vertical asymptote. Be able to divide all through by 2 and make x of the subject to the formula, and this is going to be x is equals to 2 as our vertical asymptote. So once you have gotten the vertical asymptote, you can come here and represent it on the Cartesian plane, and in that way you need to draw the x and the y axis like that, x axis. So once you have labeled your axis, you can identify the vertical asymptote, and our vertical asymptote, we can, let's say that our vertical asymptote is at this particular point. Let's say this is our vertical asymptote 2. Now, for us to draw the vertical asymptote, you need to remember the vertical asymptote is parallel to the y axis, so we can be able to use broken lines like that. So we shall just say this is our vertical asymptote there. Vertical asymptote x is equal to there. Now the next thing we are going to do is you need to understand the intercepts. Where are the intercepts of this graph? Do we have the x-intercept and do we have the y-intercept here? So you have to check whether they exist or whether they are there. Yeah, so which means in this case we need to find the intercept. Okay, in order for you to find yes no, don't touch that one. Shh. Now once you have identified the asymptote, the next thing we are going to find is x-intercept and y-intercept. So let's say we are finding the x-intercept, and we know at the x-intercept y is equals to 0. So how are we going to go about this in order to get our answer? In this case, we are going to take y equals to 0, so we shall say 0 is equals to ln of 2x minus 4, and which means that we can be able to find exponent. We introduce exponent both sides. Is going to be e is to 0 is equals to e is to ln of 2x minus 4. No, yes, no. This one. And then if you find the ln, you are going to, this and this will cancel out, this and this will cancel out, you're going to remain with 2x minus 4. So which means that we are going to have what? 1 is equals to 2x minus 4. So if we take 4 on the other side, we shall remain with 2x is equals to 5 over 2 over 2. So our x is going to be 2.5. And this is going now to be our x-intercept in this case here. So which means that we can be able to go ahead and find our y-intercept. Y-intercept. At the y-intercept, we are going to say y-intercept is going to be at the point x is equals to 0. You have to assume that, so that you can be able to substitute into the function, and this is going to be y is equals to ln of 2x minus 4. That was the original equation, of course, and then it will mean that in order to work out this, we shall have what? we are going to substitute x is equals to 0 here. We shall remain with y is equals to y is going to be equals to ln of 2 times 0 will be 0 minus 4. So we shall have minus 4 here. So which means there's no way we can have ln of a natural number. We cannot find the natural log of a negative number. So if you even put ln of -4 in the calculator, it does not exist. So which means this line will not when you do the, you get this, you will not cross y axis. That's what this means. So which means that this graph is not going to lie on this side. It will never cross the y-axis whatsoever. So which will mean that our case here, already we had gotten the x-intercept to be 2.5 here, but I was just showing you already we have gotten the x-intercept to be 2.5. Then it means that if this 2, we can say, for instance, our 2.5 is at this given point. Yeah, 2.5 is at this given point. Then I'm going to draw my line and my graph. It will be like that. It will be approaching the asymptote, but it will never cross it. So basically that's what you're going to do whenever you are trying to sketch natural log graph questions. If you're new to Proflan YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that anytime I'm going to do further tutorials, you'll be notified. We are going to do more tutorials, you'll be notified. And thank you for watching the Proflan video channel. Look forward to see you in the next tutorial. If you are new, also consider checking the Patreon page so that you can be able to access the PDF of this particular question that we have worked out here. See you in the next tutorial.